Sarojini Naidu, with wisdom in her eyes, a poet so bright, with words that did soar. Her verses like songs we cherish evermore. Born with the gift to write and to speak, her words painted visions, both vibrant and sleek. The bazaars of Hyderabad, in her lines they came alive. With colors, with life, they did dance and thrive. Oh Sarojini, the nightingale so bright, with words like music, you took to the fight. In poetry and politics, you paved the way. For freedom and justice, you stand and say, let's rise, let's unite, let's stand in the light. In the shadow of empire, she saw the need for women to rise, for change to proceed. A voice for the voiceless, she spoke with grace, advocating for rights in every space. With Gandhi and Nehru side by side, she marched for a nation with hope as her guide. Her poems of courage, her actions of might, were sparks that would set India alight. She fought for the women, she fought for the free. Her vision was clear, as wide as the sea. The first woman to lead, to take the floor. In the Congress she stood for freedom's roar. Her poetry was magic, with truth in her tone. The world now remembers the seeds she had sown. A legacy of courage, a heart full of dreams. Her name forever echoes in freedom's hymns. Oh Sarojini, the nightingale so bright, with words like music, you took to the fight. In poetry and politics, you paved the way. For freedom and justice, you stand and say, let's rise, let's unite, let's stand in the light. Sarojini Naidu, a name to behold, a poet, a leader, so fearless, so bold. Her spirit lives on in every poem we write, a beacon of freedom, forever in